Oil change time. Let's see if I know how to change my oil. It might work. Or I might not be going to work tomorrow. Cheers. So we're supposed to change this at 5,000 miles or every 5,000 miles. And it went over our beach trip. So we drove back from the beach and then I drove another week after that. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna remove this oil cap. Heated. Check that out. Okay, so we need to change the oil gauge. And I need to get, what was it? I think it's a size 14. 14. Right? Is it 14? Oh, it's this way. Baby, stop laughing at me. What the heck? This is where I'm supposed to take this one out, and it's counterclockwise. What?
Oh, they see it.
Yeah, just let it go. Just let it drop. There you go. Not hard, right?
No.
Okay.
I need to change it. Baby, it's gonna overflow. Baby, it's gonna overflow. Oh my, no, never mind. It's not. Because it's already measured. Ah! Okay, so all the oil is drained. We're gonna go in, pull it out. It's still kind of dripping a little bit. That this bolt doesn't rock or sand. Put it back. Tighten it a little bit. Okay. For every car, you need a torque wrench to screw in the oil bolt, and it's measured by 25 inches per pound, and then you just screw it in lightly, or so you don't mess up the tab. Right. And we've done with my old oil, and we're gonna put in new one. And my car needs 6 quart. So this one is 5, and then we have additional 1 to equal 6. Let's go. Pull it up. All right, so we were actually supposed to change the oil filter, and unfortunately we don't have the right tool for it. We're gonna have to go and get a tool for it, and then we'll change it on the next time around. Okay, so this is where the oil filter is supposed to go. We'll just remove that and then we'll change it. So I have my funnel. Put in. My car is a synthetic type AE OW20. I'm gonna attempt tornado chug. Here we go. Finish it. Okay, so this tornado chug got hot. Shirt's off, and we're gonna do the last bit of the oil. I already took off the plastic earlier. Oh my god, this is like harder right here. You see my arm muscle, baby? You should never drink beer and change oil at the same time. It's not good. We're measuring it just to see where it all falls in.
Where we at?
We're right there, right on the notch. I need windshield wiper fluids. I need to do that. done. Whoop! Change my coolant as well. Lexus. Okay, they're all the same. Where's the cat for that?
That's like, oh dang, this hurt. Boom.
To close the hood, and then we're gonna reset like the maintenance warning symbol sign in my car. So, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna reset my car after we maintenance the oil. Turn the ignition on twice, and it takes me to the accessory mode. And then we're going to exit this out, and then we're gonna go to the setting display, and we're gonna scroll down right here all the way down to scheduled maintenance, and then we're gonna push and hold and reset data. So you go yes, reset, and the data has been reset.
I think I need to know. I think
That's it?
and
Ta-da!
all done.
Oil change all done. Sun up, just sun down. That's not true.